It's a great day by the bay. Steph and Remy here. Welcome to our channel. In just a couple minutes, we're going to be having Ray's tree service here to come and trim this palm tree. It should be really interesting to watch. I've never seen a palm tree be trimmed before, so stay tuned. We have Ray here from Ray's Tree Service. He just did a fantastic job. Thank you, Ray.
Yeah, looking better, right?
Yeah,
Nice,
much better. So how long have you been in business, Ray?
28 years now. We do all type of trees.
What areas do you service?
Venetia and Vallejo.
Good,
Napa
no-
a little bit and Contra Costa.
So you're willing to go over the bridge.
Yes.
And how often should you have your palm tree trimmed?
Every 3 years, every 5 years.
How often should we water our palm tree?
Palm trees have really deep roots, probably 10 feet duro. Spaghetti, so no need to water up.
Good. Does it help to fertilize it or it doesn't need fertilizer?
No, that's...
Definitely recommend you again.
Okay,
All right.
thanks. Thank you.
Looking good. So the next time you need a palm tree trim, you know who to call. Until next time, make it a great day by the bay. Cheers.